Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see some SQL comparison operators. I'm working with AdventureWorks DW 2017 database. So I have queried the due employee table. So due employee table got vacation hours and sick leave hours. And there are like few other columns like is for details, personal details and all. So let me use this comparison operators to compare the vacation hours and sick leave hours and display the data. The requirement is find out employees with more vacation hours, or I can say like this, more sick hours than vacation hours. So how can I achieve it? So I can write a wait clause for this. So before this, let me display the few columns. First name, his last name, his sick leave hours, his vacation hours. And I'm writing a where clause where I need to know where sick hours, more sick hours than vacation hours, right? Where sick hours are greater than vacation hours. So if I execute this query, we can see that for these persons, for 109 employees, the sick hours are greater than the vacation hours. And if you want to know any someone, if you want to use other conditions, so let's employee. Yeah. If I want to check where um, if I want to filter this data based on his marital status, then I can use equal to. For example, I can use the same condition and I can use the same query and add one more wait condition where sick leave hours more greater than vacation hours and marital status equals to M. So if I execute this query, you can see, okay, let me display the marital status as well. See, there are 56 employees who are married and who are getting sick and taking sick leaves rather than vacation hours. Okay, and further, okay, if I want to use few more conditions, okay, where vacation hours, or I can use some same other like they around the sick leave hours. If sick leave hours greater than 20, so if I execute this query, we can see this. See, these people, 52 rows, where sick leave hours are greater than 20, and sick leave hours are greater than the vacation hours, and marital status is young. And if I want to filter this data based on greater than or equals to, then I can say sick leave hours greater than or equals to 20. Same 52 data. And even I can see this sick leave hours greater than or equals to vacation hours. Okay. Even 20 is coming here based on greater than or equal to. Okay, this is how we use comparison operators in SQL. If it is a text, we'll write it under a single quote. If it's a number, we can write directly. Thank you.